Why is my HVAC system not reaching the set temperature? Your heating and cooling system usually cannot reach the set temperature because of a dirty air filter, low refrigerant, a faulty thermostat, or a unit that is the wrong size for your home. Think of your system like a person trying to breathe through a clogged straw. When the air filter gets dirty, air cannot move through it easily, so the system works harder and still falls short of your set temperature. Something most people do not know is that a dirty filter or low refrigerant can cause the indoor coil to freeze over completely, which blocks airflow and stops cooling almost entirely. Closed vents in rooms you do not use can also throw off the air pressure inside your ducts and make the whole system less efficient. Leaky ducts, which are common in older homes, let a lot of your cooled or heated air escape before it ever reaches your living space. A simple habit that fixes many of these problems is changing your filter every 1 to 3 months, since this alone keeps airflow steady and protects the coil from freezing. A common mistake is setting the thermostat much lower or higher than needed, thinking it will speed things up, but that only makes the system run longer without any real benefit. Another misconception is blaming the thermostat right away, when the real issue is often the outdoor unit or a dirty coil, so it helps to have a technician check refrigerant levels and clean the outdoor condenser first. Many homeowners also skip yearly maintenance before the busy summer and winter months, and that is one of the biggest reasons systems struggle to reach the set temperature later on. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.